From vulva to juicy chemistry, you can see brands started to make their own powder to foam cleanser. But what is powder to foam cleanser? Before jumping into it, hi, I'm Kajol. Welcome to Kajol Cosmetics. So what is powder to foam cleanser? They are cleansers basically, but available in powder format. They doesn't have water, so it can be used as a multi-purpose product here. Now you got to know what is powder to foam face washes. These are some common ingredients used in powder to foam face wash. There is one thing they commonly use everywhere in this powder to foam face wash is they are using some kinds of flour here, like rice flour, corn flour, tapioca starch, arrowroot starch. They are using something as a base here. So these are the base for this powder to foam face wash. Now you can understand what is the base they are using to get that creamy, soft feeling while using this face wash powder. So you can customize according to your preference. I already made a goat milk rice face wash, that is a powder based face wash, in my previous video. You can check it down below. So now we are going to add the hero ingredient. Basically they are surfactants. They help to cleanse, lather the surface of the skin here. So we wanted to add powder based surfactants here like sodium cocoyl isothianate. It is one of the common surfactant used in the powder based product. You can use any kinds of powder based products here. You can customize the surfactants here. Our powder to foam face wash is ready. Now you all need is a preservative to preserve the product, and that's all. Your product is ready. Technically our powder to foam face wash is ready. You all need a base ingredient, surfactant and preservative. This is what the powder to foam face wash needed. But you also wanted to add some kind of marketing story like powders, vegetable powders, herbal powders, milk powders, floral powders. You should add that gives a marketing story here. Next is glaze. That gives the structure and slip to the formulation. Other than that, you can also add actives like niacinamide. You can see allantoin. You can add any kinds of fancy additives here. These are just marketing story, but you can add it. That also gives a benefit in long term. Especially for myself, I don't want to add expensive actives in the powder to foam face wash in any kinds of rinse off product. That is my personal opinion. You can add any kinds of actives here. This is how you will make your own powder to foam face wash at home. Here we have used SCI powder as our surfactant, we have used corn flour as our base, and we have used French green clay, goat milk powder, aloe vera powder, allantoin as additives. That also helps while using in long terms. This is the lather test. You can see it gives the great slip. It has a nice lather. I also love minimal lather in my face care products. I loved it. So I have added oil here to add the slip, and whenever using powder products you can understand how it is easily airborne. So adding oil helps a little bit here. If you wanted to buy a powder to foam cleanser in the market, its price range starts from $350 to $2,000. It depends upon the brand. But this is how easy you can make your own powder to foam cleanser at home. I will say this is a basic formulation. This is a good starting point. You can start how to make your own powder to foam face wash at home. You can customize and alter the formulation. That is the beauty of formulation here. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment down below. How is the new video format? I have explained the market perspective and explained the formulation. If you like this format, please put it in the comment box. It will be helpful to make more videos like this. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to share a 30 days melt and pour mastery class in my YouTube channel where you will learn how to make a basic melt and pour soap, to what are the problems with melt and pour soap, and you have lots of questions about melt and pour soaping. I'm going to cover each and every topic in this 30 days. So subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you.